Hello and welcome to this very short video. Just wanted to tell you a very sad news, as same as it's a good news. I sold my excavator. This is Daisy. It's her name, Daisy the digger. And now I have sold it. It's very sad when I sell like big investments. I've been using this for 1 year now. Pretty much exactly 1 year. And now it's getting a new owner. And you might think, why do you sell it? Why do I sell the excavator? Well, because I need money. And the plans didn't go as supposed to go. With the micro home, I was supposed to use it for building the foundation and the road to the micro home. And that went to hell. So yeah, I decided to put it for sale. And it's easy. Of course it's sad. I also plan to use it for more work outside my place, but it just seems I don't have time for it really, and I don't earn enough money for doing it, because usually it's friends who ask for help and they don't pay as well as they should, you know. And then I also will need to start a company, and if I had a micro home up there, I would have started a company, and then I would have this as a side hustle to the micro home business, and that would be more good for business to have two income streams. But now this will just be sitting here. Poor old Daisy will just be sitting here, and yeah, we can't let it be sitting still like this, because when a machine gets sitting still, it just loses value and it decays and it breaks down. Every time you are gonna use it, you can be sure something goes wrong with it. So even if I lose money on selling it now, I still saved money on it. It sounds strange, but I did. And the way I did that is because I've done a lot of work around my house and building the roads, building drainage and parking spaces, everything. And I put the water from house to the garage, and I spent maybe 150 hours digging, maybe, yeah, around that. Not only in my place, but in my family place. And yeah, it becomes a lot of money, really. So if you have the cash to do it, you will save money doing like I did, if you know how to use the machine. If you don't know how to, I don't think it's a smart decision, because you can break something more. So you need some knowledge before you start, I think, to digging around, and you can hit the power cables in the ground or anything really. The pipe, water pipe, the sewage pipe, anything in the ground. You don't know how to dig, you shouldn't be digging around your house and buying an excavator for it. Anyways, just wanted to share this moment with me and Daisy, last moment we have together. Yeah, it makes no sense to me having it here anymore, because the house will be demolished soon. Well, soon, maybe 10 years from now, the government will take my house, my neighbor's house, and just destroy them and build a highway here. So it makes no sense for me to fixing this place up any more than I have already. I've fixed it already too much up, because I didn't know this before when I bought this place 1.5 years ago. So I fixed the inside, I fixed the outside, and then I get to know that they plan to take it all down. And that's why, also one reason why I'm selling now. I don't need it anymore, because I will do no more work here, because it makes no sense to do it really. So yeah, this is the view from Daisy. You have some joysticks on both sides, and this one will go back and forwards with the belts. Anyways, that was all I wanted to say today. Have a beautiful day, and leave a comment below saying goodbye and farewell to Daisy.